Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So I want to share with you in this video some landing page designs that is going to triple, quadruple your business right now. So if you have an online business, you're running ads online, you have a landing page, you're trying to collect leads and you're just all over the place. One, you don't know what software to use or how to best design your landing page in order to get the best conversions possible. This video is going to show you how I'm able to do that and how this particular landing page about to show you converts at almost 60%. So this is going to be a live case study of a campaign I'm currently running right now, and this landing page is what I'm currently using right now, and it's just going to be awesome. So stick with me here. So what you're looking at right now on the screen is a landing page that I have been running ads to for the past 1 week now, and this landing page you're looking at is currently live and it's converting at almost 60%. Now I've talked about a landing page software that I use, System.io. I'll leave a link to it in the description or put it in the cards if you want to see how I set up landing pages. But this one that you're looking at right here is set up on Kajabi, and you can pretty much use any software, to be honest. And to have this idea that you can only use one software or just one software has the tendency to perform better than the other is simply not true. It just depends on how you're able to design your landing page, structure information in such a way that people find what they're looking for and you're not wasting their time. Now, speaking of what to put on your landing page, if you can see right here, cure procrastination in 3 simple steps, Dr. Krishna Arnold, MD, blah, blah, blah. This masterclass is going to happen November 3rd, 2nd, and 5th. And it has a clear call to action, register now. There's another call to action, sign me up. In fact, when I was looking at this landing page, I was talking to another person who we were working on this campaign together. I was like, I've never seen a landing page be so ugly yet perform so well. And that is to tell you that sometimes we think too much about the aesthetics of our landing page, or we want it to be beautiful, want it to look a certain way. And that's not to say that you cannot make your landing pages beautiful. But what's important, or what I've seen to be the most important, is that one, you need to cut the fluff. You need to do away with any information that does not serve your audience. If it does not contribute to the end goal, you need to take it out completely, right? I've seen very beautiful landing pages convert at 18, 19%, sometimes 20%, and that's not where you want to be if you're running paid ads, for example. Now, for this particular campaign that we're running right now, this is what we did in the last launch. This happened in June of this year. That was about 3-4 months ago. And as you can see, we were generating leads for $27, $24, $23. But for this current campaign, the same audience, the same offer, we're now converting at $5 to $7. Now that is a huge reduction in what we were seeing in the past. And when we look at the data, everything points to the fact that this landing page is converting at a whopping 59%. Now look at the landing page conversion. This is a custom metric here. This was the old landing page converting at 28 to 29%. So this was, the average conversion rate was 25%. But this new landing page that we're using right now converts at 60%. Now that is a huge difference. And you can tell in the cost per lead that we've been able to bring it down from $27 down to the lowest that we've ever seen of $5.62. That is almost 5 times more conversions on the new landing page than the old landing page. Now, this is just to tell you that it doesn't matter where you build your landing page, doesn't matter what software you use, especially if you're using paid ads. What really matters is that you maximize everything you have, every resources that you have on the landing page. You don't want to waste people's time. Now let's look at the landing page again. Let's just look at some of the things that may have worked for them. So for the last campaign, there was something I realized on the on one of the creatives that we ran, which was performing better than most, and that was the fact that the color pink was performing better than every other creatives that we had. So everything that was put on a pink background was converting more. And I told the client, I was like, you know what, why not let us try the color pink, put that into our landing page and let's see what happens. So as you can see right here, the color pink is just sprinkled all through the landing page. And it's not because it's in the best font ever. No, the font is not even that great, but it's just to tell you that certain things like this, it's all about testing when you're looking at something or when you're doing A/B testing. That's why testing is so good when you're testing when you're building landing pages. Make sure you test landing pages. You don't just want to stick with one. You want to stick with multiple. See what works in your old landing page versus the new landing page. Or maybe you just want to send traffic to both landing pages and see which one converts more and just double down on that. So that's what I've been able to take away from this campaign. And around landing pages, again, if you want to see how to build your landing page using the software that I recommend, it's going to be here in the cards. I just want to see just a live case study of how we're able to, just generate leads like this for clients like this. I'm going to leave it in the link below as well. You can go watch it. It's a 7-minute video. So if you want help, around building landing pages, driving traffic, conversions, for your business, reach out to me. You can send me an email at ifdaniel@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment down below and I will be more than happy to do that for you. So I just want to bring you through what we're doing right now, this live case studies, because I feel like if you are in business right now, this live case studies can help you, because this is something that I am currently doing myself that is still ongoing. And if you want to take anything away from it, it's that anyone can do this as long as you follow the right steps and just do your due diligence, testing. That is what I am able to take away from what I'm doing right now. Anyways, if this video has been helpful, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments as well, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will talk to you in the next video.